Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, and if you've subscribed before, thank you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this tailor's ham. So you need a tailor's ham when you want to sew armholes, corset cups, anything rounded, because it's always difficult to just use your iron on your ironing board. So you need a tailor's ham, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this round one. Now the other one in this video that you can see, the black one, is another method. I've not yet done the tutorial, so once I film it I'll post it as well. It's a different method entirely, but the one in this video is an easier method to use, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Let's get into it.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and where I'll go in life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes, and ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Guys, this is what it looks like. You can make the measurements bigger or smaller based on your preference. You can make it a cylinder, so like a rectangle, and then you round the edges. Guys, it is amazing. I'm even probably going to do the cylinder one soon. I think it's going to be beneficial for sleeves and pants, so I'm going to look for how I'm going to make it and then post it later on. And it can also serve as a pin cushion, so just put your pins inside. If you can't find your pin cushion anywhere, just take your tailor's ham and just start putting your pins, and everything is going to be fine. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to share your work to all my green followers, and also here on YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle. Also watch my other scrap videos. I have a lot of scrap pieces on my channel. I have a playlist for it. I'm going to link it down below so you guys can go check it out. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.